Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Mother's Day is coming. So today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we would like to dedicate this recipe to all the moms out there. Happy Mother's Day! Today's special dish is garlic butter lobster. I'm going to show you two ways how to cook it. First, by an oven, and second, by an air fryer. It's supposed to be juicy, tender, garlicky, and buttery. It's going to be good by itself, but if you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how to make Thai seafood dipping sauce that you can add into it. And this dish can be eaten with steamed vegetable or mashed potato, rice. But to me, I love to have this dish with garlic noodles. For some reason, it just go together well and make it the best.
Here is my yummy garlic noodles, topping with Parmesan cheese and some scallion.
I'm going to show you how to take care of the lobster first. We're going to cut the lobster shell. Try to cut it all in one line, all the way at the bottom here. Crack it a little bit, and just crush it like that.
Open it and devein it. Wash it to make sure that there is no little shell left with meat, and pat it dry.
Peel it by using my finger to try to get between the meat. See here, I use my thumb to kind of like lead me to get the shell out. If you can go to the bottom, it's easy. Okay, after we have both sides, I'm going to flip it over like this.
Slice it 3 times so that it won't curl back when it's cooked.
Now I'm going to close my shell like this and put the meat back on the shell. Push at the bottom here and spread this tail out so it will look nice.
Time to butter it up. Starting with butter, garlic, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well together. Brush butter all over the lobster. And then we're gonna add just a little of the garlic on the top. We're gonna save the rest for later. Top with paprika and pepper. Adding half cup of water to keep it moist. We just prepare the lobster up to this point and cook them 10 minutes before serving. Preheat the oven to boil and broil it for 4 minutes first. After the first 4 minutes, add the rest of butter and garlic and put it back for 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of the lobsters. These 2 lobsters are about 5.5 ounces each, and it takes about 8 minutes to cook. If the temperature reached 140, it's good. It is buttery, garlicky, and very delicious. Cooking by an air fryer. Prepare lobsters the same way as earlier at 380 Fahrenheit. Air fry it for 4 minutes first. Take it out, add butter and garlic, and air fry it for another 4 to 5 minutes, depends on the size of the lobsters. These 2 lobsters are about 5.5 ounces each, and it takes about 8 minutes to cook. I will show you how to make the easiest garlic noodles that you will love, and you can eat it with any dish. Now it's time for our garlic noodles. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes for spaghetti. We want it to be soft. You can use spaghetti or any cooked noodles like pancit or egg noodles. While we're waiting for the noodles to be cooked, we're going to prepare garlic sauce. Starting with butter and sesame oil, add garlic and stir for about 2 minutes with low heat. We don't want garlic turns brown, we just want the garlic to release the aroma. Add all the ingredients, mix it well together, and turn off the stove. This sauce can be prepared ahead of time, even a day before, and keep it in refrigerator. Let's check our noodles. Make sure that it's cooked and soft. After the noodles are cooked, just transfer it directly to the sauce and mix it well together. It smells so good. I smell garlic, butter, and a little pepper. Smells so good. We're going to finish it with Parmesan cheese. Believe me, it makes these noodles even better. If you use the cooked noodles, it's even easier. All you have to do is just boil the water and put the noodles in there, about 1 minute only, and take it out straight to the sauce that we prepared. And that's about it. It's done. We are done. Wow, wow, wow. Can you say no to this dish? Thank you very much for watching until the end. Now I would like to give you a bonus recipe of Thai seafood dipping sauce. Just add all ingredients together by a mortar and pestle, or you can use a blender. This sauce is very common and a go-to sauce for Thai people for any kind of seafood. The combination of sweet, sour, spicy, and salty will make all kinds of seafood taste much better. Time to eat!
We are done with ranch recipe, special dish for moms. I hope that all the moms will be happy and healthy. Thank you for watching, and please leave some comment below. Tell us what do you think about this dish and what else you want to learn how to cook. See you next time.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.